not the sunny day that I was hoping for my one-person picnic. Weather is unlike the sun I've been used to during my time in Buenos Aires. But when you want to go out, you go out. Hola amigos, it's Javier here for Hum of the Earth. If you've been following the channel, the last few videos we've been inside the city of Buenos Aires, learning about its history and witnessing its hustle and bustle. But today we're gonna go where the residents of the city go to relax and spend some time in nature. And that is Buenos Aires Park, also known as Costanera Sur. Costanera Sur means south coast. So this is a marsh land that is on the coast in between Buenos Aires and the ocean. And if I remember correctly, the way to get there would be to, at least for the south entrance, would be to head towards the neighborhood that I believe is called Puerto Madre over here, which means Mother Port. Is the neighborhood with all the skyscrapers over there. And in fact, this bridge is called the Bridge of the Woman. And in the neighborhood of Puerto Madre, all of these street names are named after women. So I think I'll be probably strolling through that neighborhood on the way to the park. Don't think these are still active. This is a pretty nice walkway here. I actually think walking across the river from Puerto Madero, not Madre, is probably nicer than actually being inside of it. Could be wrong, but I'm gonna keep walking on this side of the river until the next bridge, which should line up with the southern entrance of the park. Wasn't expecting this. Martes a Domingo, which is Tuesday to Sunday, is when it's open. We are Monday. That sucks. Just walked a few kilometers to get here, and it is closed. Guess I'll have to come back. Maybe it'll be open then. Still having my picnic though. New day, new picnic that is similar to the one from yesterday, but every day is different. Sun is out, and that is what I believe we call a silver lining. I believe I may have incorrectly stated that the park Reserva Ecologica Costanera Sur, where we are right now, goes along the ocean. That is technically inaccurate. It actually goes along the Rio de la Plata, which I believe I remember reading is the widest river in the world. And this part here is the widest, right before it goes into the ocean. Nevertheless, the park has a network of trails where people can jog, cycle, meet up, and talk and walk as they enjoy the nature, the flora and the fauna, which has a lot of birds, as I'm sure you can hear. You guys enjoyed that look at the Reserva Ecologica Costanera Sur, south coast of Buenos Aires, also known as Buenos Aires Park. Definitely enjoyed it. Good break from the noisy Buenos Aires, which I also enjoy. Speaking of which, I have other videos on my channel, including a tour of Recoleta, where I also get into kind of the culture and history of Buenos Aires and even a bit of Argentina in general. And I also have a neighborhood of my day that was kind of filled with misfortunes of heading to La Boca, but you should be safe watching the videos from wherever you're watching them. And it's a very unique and interesting neighborhood where I even got to see some tango dancing, quite a bit of it actually. It's that was pretty fun. So those are 2 videos available on my channel, Hum of the Earth. If you'd like to see some more videos of Argentina and Chile, I have a playlist on my channel called Chile and Argentina, which include my videos of bicycling through stunning Patagonia. I was here as part of my journey bicycling from Canada to Argentina. If you'd like to see an interactive map of everywhere that I went and everything that I did, I have that available over at my website, followthehumoftheearth.com, where you can click on the different locations and see the different blog posts and videos that I've made of these places. If you'd like to follow my continuing adventures, you can do so by subscribing to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below the video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.